Gemini, the third sign in the zodiac, starts from the 60 degrees to the 90 degrees of the ecliptic made hypothetically by us to know the zodiac and the nakshatras, the constellations, Mrigashira, Ardhara, and a part of the Punarvasu. Mrigashira ruled by Mars, Ardhara ruled by Rahu, the dragon's head, and Punarvasu, bit of it ruled by the Jupiter. If I look at the qualities, the tattvas we call, of the Geminis, it is an Aries sign, rises in the west, it is male, by caste it is Shudra, the service class, it is nocturnal, very powerful during the night, it is a dual sign, neither movable nor fixed, it has got two mouths, so we call it as very mysterious sign in all the 12 signs, ruled by the planet Mercury, the youngest planet, the prince of the zodiac, as we call it in our Vedic philosophy. If I see the physical traits of this person, it is tall, young, beautiful, elegant, black eyes, walks quickly, doesn't love to be an old person. If I see the traits in the Gemini born people, they are very agile, mathematically very strong, singers, artists, traits of an artist in him, very intelligent, comes to know about other people very easily, but other people can't read them. The USP of the Geminis are that they are very sharp. They do their work and nobody comes to know. If I see a Gemini child is very naughty and puts his onus on others as if he has not done it. If we see from the other angle, in the zodiac is responsible for all the changes in the weather. Means whenever he gets angry, there is a change in the weather. Volcanoes, earthquakes, tsunamis, abrupt rain or no rain, all are because of the planet Mercury. Another quality of a Gemini as per the Vedic philosophy is they are very good vocationalist. They are very good orator. They are good mathematicians. Even they can be very good cartoonist, means their imagination is beyond the thinking of the other people. If the Geminis are negative, they become thief, gamblers. They are not murderers, but they can cheat anybody. Sometimes they people love to go earning easy money by fooling others and never caught by anybody. The Geminis are jack of all the trades but master of none. If they master one, they become the best in the world. And the body parts controlled by the Geminis are shoulders, arms, hands, etc. And if they get some diseases any time in their life, it is always the allergies because of the sun of a moon, so gets pleurisy, tuberculosis, any kind of allergies they can get. And if it is ruled by the Jupiter, then they become lunatics. If I look at the trades they can do best is the marketing, sales, salesmanship, businessman. They love to play on others' money, accountancy, media, entertainment, good preachers also. Sometimes if traits of Jupiter comes, they become very good teachers too. They become spiritual leaders also. Rather, working for one particular religion and professing that and want other peoples to follow the same. The zodiac sign Gemini is represented by a man and a woman. We have to think the qualities of a Gemini. When they are male, they are very good male. When they are female, they are very nice females. Because of the dual qualities, sometimes you will find the eunuchs and the gay also belong to this class. As per the Western school of thought, the Gemini sign, their sun sign, starts from 22nd of May to 21st of June. As per the movable sun sign, their calculations. The people born in this sign represents hate, ecstasy, intelligence, endurance, artistic, dual by the nature, mathematicians. You can't know what's in their mind. They change very quickly. Difficult for the other people to understand what will be their further course of action. Because of their ample intelligence endowed upon them by the nature. You will find most of the Geminis working in radio stations, teachers, and winning the people through their speech. That's their capability. They are beautiful, even if they are male. They are not masculine, they are tall, but have got the feminine qualities too. A good looking gentleman can bewitch anybody, and their smile is bewildering, entrap people through their traits of the perfect Gemini. When it comes to making friends, very quick in making it, very sympathetic, very friendly, and breaks their friendship also on small egos, on jealousy with the other people. Why? He is wearing better than me. Love to wear better than others. Love to look better than others. Always love to wear very light clothes and takes everything in life very lightly. Doesn't go into the depth and the micro analysis of the things. They remain shallow always throughout their life and do their work, accomplish their goals. The Geminis are perfect speakers. If they enter into politics, they can heartthrob the hundreds of people sitting before them. Even through their speech, they can force them to walk behind them. They bewilder the people, and they are perfect politicians. They know how to take advantage of the others' weaknesses and straighten their needs or jobs. Another feature of a perfect Gemini is his writing. A third sign in the zodiac, in the Kalpurush, is your right hand too. When they write, they become the legend writers. Their writings are easily understandable by the people. They don't write philosophical, all shallow writing, and reaches to the heart of the people very easily and quickly. Brain of the Geminis keep working throughout 24 hours a day. Sometimes due to these thoughts, they get insomnia too, but they are tireless. Like a child, they can play 24 hours a day. Sometimes they prove to be a good sportsman too. In the outdoor games, they are perfect. Because of their dual nature, they become impatient and like to achieve everything quickly without working hard or without knowing the intricacies of the success. And they achieve also. They love wealth, they love name, they love fame. As per the Western school of thought, Geminis are good to have as a security. They never go alone. They love to go with somebody. They love the company of many people, especially the men. They like more than the women. Very intelligent, good in oratory, and their conversation is bewitching. When it comes to society, you never know when are they going to change their dates they have given you. They never stick on to their promises too much, but when they promise, if they wish to come up to those expectations, they come up very, very sincerely. Their capability of working in 3 to 4 trades at a time is amazing. They can think in more lines, rather they love to concentrate on more than one things at a time, and always they are dual in nature. They don't like to make perfections at one place, but as far as their life partner is concerned, they don't commit. But when they commit, they become very orthodox. So they are very obstinate, they are very possessive, they don't even tolerate that their life partner is talking to somebody else. Leave apart the other parts of the sincerity. The Gemini male lives in today. They don't plan for tomorrow. They don't have planning for number of years. They don't plan their life. They plan their today. When they wake up in the morning, they always say, I have done it, I have thought it, and I will do it. Rather, they try to fulfill their dreams which they see as they rise in the morning. Sometimes, even after they commit to a woman to get married, getting into the marital knot, after that also they look in for others. Not for permanent relations, but maybe temporary relations. Not to have the conjugal relations, but they love the company of women always around them. And they love to be praised by the opposite sex too. Apart from that, they love to be dominated by the male partners. So sometimes they are very good in the sporting stuff also. Because of their excellent communicative skill, they get their name and fame even if they are at the bottom of the echelon of their organization. Just worry for the Gemini male is their jealousy and ego. Because of that, sometimes they break relations with the people very close to them or very sincere to them. The Gemini women are very agile, energetic, intelligent, though with the dual mind, very passionate, good love-making woman, and loves to be loved with a one man, not satisfied, don't hesitate to choose the another man. But if really a bull can tie this Gemini woman, they are excellent in spirituality. Spiritual enhancements, you need a Gemini woman for their sincerity, for their ability, agile nature, thoughts, good consultants. They are sincere, provided you are able to satisfy their egos. If you are able to praise them right in the morning till she retires to the bed. Needs lot of attentions. And if you don't give attention, they know the techniques, how to attract and how desperately they can seek your attentions. Sometimes it is difficult to hold them. Ask for a suggestion, instant reaction, instant answer, practical in nature, you can get. Likewise, a Gemini child is very agile, thin, maybe underweight sometimes at the time of birth, but is very healthy child. Doesn't love the mother much, goes on the father's traits. And if you talk of the Gemini boss, you have not to worry, because if you have not done your work, he will do your work. He will keep moving around you always. Keep a watch on your each and every activity. No need of putting any CCTV camera on your desk. He has got a mind, or he has got a mind to see what's happening behind the wall and what are you talking behind him. So beware of the Gemini boss. If you talk of the Gemini employee, most lucky organization if they get the Gemini employees. They are always agile, quick in working, finish their work before time, and does not sit idle even at that moment. Loves to help others, do others' work too, can do any type of work even if not assigned to them.